Yes, top 4.
We're going to discuss it.
Mom, can I go to Walmart tomorrow? Like after school?
You'd have to go after school.
Yeah,
Since you can.
Pokemon. Because remember Aiden's coming over?
And we have grade stuff.
Remember you no said sleepover on the weekend?
We're not because we're going to...
Briefly.
1 turn is fine. 1 turn is fine. 14. Yeah.
5 turns is unacceptable.
Pokemon cards.
You're not allowed to turn.
No guards.
This is the second time.
Look, no guards are for chumps, okay?
Quintet walls are the way to go.
No, they don't.
The best users of null guards can hoard them an entire game and guard giant attacks without using a null.
He has to retire something. I know.
Why don't you use the money on my Vanguard cards?
No pass.
You will be. You want dimension?
Retire. 2 cards.
That's after
18 event.
your option.
No guard.
Yeah.
Still got that spot.
Okay, so we're gonna get a close-up of this. Wow, look at that. That's just silly. They're gleaming over there in the glare.
Want to get here all together?
3. We have 40. I can give you
No, it's fair to say, whenever you get a Crimson Beast Tamer, you actually get 2 turquoise. That's always happens.
Nope.
Vanguard. No guard. Don't crit. Crit.
Double hamsters. Okay, look at this. We have a full house over here, people. Look at that.
So we'll do it tomorrow.
Fuck this shit.
That's Polaris.
It's gonna be... BAM!
You gotta get your hockey. What comes first? Hockey here? Or them?
Skill.
$40 isn't
Is it the same skill? Or?
It's
unflip the damage when it retires.
It's supposed to be a sloth.
So do.
So you got a choice. Pokemon card or hockey.
So how much? That is.
The tiger should double pump it.
Yeah, that's the 2.
What was the other 2 for? Oh, the draws, okay.
2 draw and.
The white dice is draws, the red dice is pumps.
It took me
Okay.
15 to
15.
actually
16.
build Sherry.
7 plus 9 is 16.
Oh, I don't mind 15.
Sherry is
16.
an inexpensive card, but
Okay.
it's a massive pain to find, right, DJ? What? Cherokee is like one of the most inexpensive grade 3s out there, but it's hard to find, right?
Push forward and they have to retire.
It'll have retire at the end of the turn. Yeah.
Okay. What about this? This have to be retired at the end of the turn, is it? Okay. Take it.
Not 3. I think at least 5 at the most. I think the lowest stat.
I'll do it now.
12.
13. Vanguard. Don't pump.
It's going to be 3 draws.
And a lot again.
He's plus 16. And it's going to be 4 draws. But 5 with the duckbill.
Draw.
You can have it.
Tie down.
If I see something else.
2, 3, 4, 5, and unflip a damage.
No, it's absolutely fine. How much is
That, ladies and gentlemen, is Polaris bullshit.
Yeah, Polaris.
Oh, no, come on. Well, then I just keep going around. This is construction, I think. Right? You still need $5?
There she is. I have to think. I'm gonna kind of blast this and put this away.
And by away, you mean in the drop zone.
Yeah, of course.
I'm just gonna put it off to the side in the bind zone or something.
Hang in there.
Oh, yeah, me too. It's gonna get worse though when summer's over.
You have to lock Celestials, don't you?
I'm not gonna lock it now,
No, I'm just gonna.
because pointless. 14 to Vanguard. Oh, wait a second.
Wait, are you guys in top 4?
Plus 3,000 to Vanguard. 14 to Vanguard.
Didn't I buy you a can of
DJ, would you mind helping us with
That hamster.
26,000 to Vanguard.
Yeah, you bought cans when I didn't put it on.
Heal.
Then just
Can heal. Power heal.
Oh,
20,000 to Vanguard.
are you gonna put
Mega
covers on?
Evolution. The Mega Evolutions are new. And
He'll go back.
Put your stuff in the garbage.
Okay.
Okay, so do you want any of my ginkgo feathers that I pulled?
Yeah, me. That coward.
You guys playing our first bracket?
No, these guys or those guys.
Oh.
The traveling
Here,
guys.
just look through that. All the stuff I don't want, I'm just putting there.
Sorry, you would quit.
16
Right.
Vanguard. Okay, buddy?
Yeah, we can go. Get him home to bed early tonight. Good luck.
See you, Soul.
Derek, carry your own bag.
See you next week.
22.
22?
22. 15.
15 again?
Bye, Mike.
Oh, damn you.
21.
22 Vanguard.
22. And that is? Right now.
Just to clarify, the Vanguard attack is 20.
20. And
20.
this one is?
DJ,
Presently, it's going to be. If he boosts, it's going to be 26.
help me out. Whatever's Kagero and Aquaforce, just place them on top of that for me. Oh, and Narukami actually.
To the past.
Yeah,
They
Vanguard.
haven't shown any
Shorty, sure.
Tachikaze players in the show lately, have they?
And retire.
26 Vanguard.
I'll get that.
You see Kagero, Kagero, Narukami, and Aquaforce?
Yeah.
Right there. And those are.
23 Vanguard.
Never mind.
Yeah.
23 Vanguard.
10?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Why not?
Oh, I'm sorry. Either way, 10.
Yeah, it's out.
Yeah, 12.
And these are going into the
15 Vanguard.
17? 18 Van?
Oh, dude.
1, 2,
That's 16. Lonely bastard.
12, 19, 24 Van.
2.
Your turn?
Don't ruin it! Don't ruin it!
No pass.
Watch, you gotta check
Not
the
first in that.
You know, let's check single trade. Oh, okay, I lied.
Stop lying, TJ. It's not nice.
You will hear like red.
16 Vanguard pump.
No, guys.
It's not his deck.
He's been off. And she's blowing up.
That's plus 4, so 10, 23.
23.
Ah, you get the
Puff.
No taxes.
Just ain't game. It's harmless.
Here now.
It's actually hard because that's not so
That's 4. 13.
13?
13.
How much is this right now?
16.
21.
21?
The column is 21.
13. Intercept.
we're calling it
Go.
Number 16.
Skill.
My turn?
Yep.
Hmm.
that's 12. 16. Oh no. Okay.
10.
Bonus thing is,
1,
I
2,
got
3,
a third
4,
one of
5,
these.
6.
12 to 12 to 1. 18.
How much is that?
17.
Do it.
Saves you.
1.
Wish you were not guys right now.
17.
How many cards in hand?
4.
Okay, your turn. Come on. Relax.
13.
If they come up to either 2 or
How much
3
is-
weapons.
Oh, doesn't matter. Okay, oops.
That's gonna be 15.
Yeah.
That's gonna be 18.
Still got some heal. 13. Take it.
Plus 5.
Heal. How to rank up?
So that is 19.
Two.
Vanguard.
Perfect.
And that's 18. 23. Vanguard.
Perfect. Send it.
If I use the calendar.
Call. 15,000 to Vanguard. 18,000 to Vanguard.
1.
$16,000 to Vanguard. Oh, lucky. Oh, you have 5 damage. Okay, fine. I thought you have 6 damage. Oh, you get a heal, yeah. You get a heal trigger.
How many
Oh,
cards in
unlock.
hand?
2. And you know them.
I said that I would let you know on the end.
15 Vanguard.
Come on!
13 Vanguard.
Yeah, but I don't have
18.
Alright, thanks.
To the bus.
Power heal.
16 rare.
23.
No heal. Good game.
Jesus. That was pretty good.